Top Android apps to download in 2022. These are the best apps you can download in 2022. Don't miss out this video. We are talking this under customizing, productivity editing and under many more. App number 1, Niagara Launcher. If you're looking for a fresh new way to experience your Android phone's home screen, then look no further than Niagara Launcher. It shirks the traditional app drawer paradigm, instead opting for a minimalist group of favorites with an alphabetical list as the app drawer replacement. The end result is clean look with intuitive gestures for navigation. Of course, you can pay a small fee to unlock the full experience, but the core part of Niagara is free. My go-to launcher now, and it won our Best Android App Award for this year. It's definitely worth checking out. Before the next app, quick reminder, the Mega Pack winners will be announced in the end. App number 2, Moon Plus Reader. Outside of the Amazon Kindle and Barnes & Noble Nook apps, the absolute best ebook reader on Android is Moon Plus Reader. It is a fantastic app and I can't say that enough. As someone who runs a Caliber ebook server at home with hundreds of ebooks, obtained mostly through Humble Bundle, Moon Plus Reader is my choice for reading any one of those books on my phone. Simply put, Moon Plus Reader can handle any format, like EPUB and Mobi. There are a ton of ways to customize it to your liking, like line spacing, font scale, themes, and much, much more. While you may be locked to Kindle or Nook for your ebooks, Moon Plus Reader gives you the option for your DRM-free books. This app is not useful for all users but for some. App number 3, Notion. Notion aims to be your personal and themed productivity hub, allowing users to create custom private or shared workspaces. From there, you add versatile blocks that can act like text snippets, bookmarks, images, toggle links, files, code snippets, discussion sections, and more, to where you need them without disrupting an entire document. Whether you're taking notes, crunching spreadsheets, or building a Kanban board, Notion's powerful building blocks make things a snap to set up. This approach means you easily customize your workspace, and you can still drag and drop individual blocks of content. The free version of Notion allows you to save and sync up to 1,000 blocks of content, while premium subscription plans remove that content limit and add admin tools, permission settings, and other features. In overall, this is the best app you can own in 2022. App number 4, Recorder. When the Pixel 4 debuted in 2019, one of the best things to come with it was Google's Recorder app. Recorder not only filled one of the big missing gaps on Pixel phones, which previously didn't feature a built-in voice recorder, but did it in style. Recorder could transcribe your recordings in real time, even as you were speaking, and all that transcription work was done locally, without sharing your recordings to the cloud. The app is available to all Pixel phones, and updates have added editing features introduced with the Pixel 5. Even if you carry around a different Android phone in your pocket, there's a workaround to install Recorder on your Android device. You'll need to be running either Android 9 or Android 10, and some features may not be supported on all phones, but it's still a great way to experience one of the best free Android apps we've ever seen. This app is also a best app to own in 2022. App number 5, Canva. A past Google Play Awards winner, Canva is a quick, user-friendly photo editing app that's designed with social media use in mind. The app comes with a variety of ready-to-use templates, filters, fonts, and other tools that you can apply to images in your device's gallery or in Canva's selection of free and premium images, which you can then easily share to your favorite social, network or media platform. You can use Canva to quickly set up a cover photo or account avatar for Facebook, or create crisp and clean Instagram stories, Twitter banners, or the perfect YouTube thumbnails. There's a wealth of free material and templates you can work with, as well as a selection of premium templates, images, and more that you can access with in-app purchases. Canva is a good photo and video editor for beginners and for others too. If you made all the way up to here, don't forget to leave a sub for more videos like this. App number 6, PicsArt Photo Editor. If you want one of the best free Android apps that's better geared toward proper photo editing, consider PicsArt Photo Editor, another past Google Play Awards winner, from when the app was known as PicsArt Photo Studio. PicsArt puts a ton of editing tools straight to the palm of your hand, from standard editing tools that stretch, distort, and crop images, to filters, beautifying tools, cutout tools, collage makers, double exposure mixing tools, masking selections, drawing tools, and more. In short, it's a collection of tools that's useful for everything from cleaning up quick snapshots to making a share-worthy social media piece. You already get a good selection of features for free. A PicsArt Gold Premium subscription provides a wider array of tools along with more filters and fonts and video editing. The subscription also removes ads. This is the best photo editing app you can have on your phone for free.
Bruh, chill.
App number 07. Bitmoji. Looking for something a bit more appealing than the standard emoji that come with your Android smartphone? Bitmoji is the app for you. With Bitmoji's help, you can create your personal emoji that look like you and more effectively communicate whatever you might be thinking or feeling. It's a neat and popular app that works in Snapchat or anywhere else you're communicating with others. Those were the apps that you can own in 2022 to be more cool. Now it is time to announce the winners of the Mega Pack.
Yeah, shaking up, make my dude in the game, steady on my neck, gon' play, Oh, what a shame now. Bang my dudes in the K-round, steady on my neck, gon' play around. Put it down till it make it shake round. East side, west side, south side, north side. Anywhere be than my side. Everywhere call me casa. Jay-Z, Big Pop, Shady, can't die. Inspire me to kill it to the bass drop. Put the venom in the pen in my A-style. Gave up, nah, my land, la. Came back in the cool to infinity, giving me energy and I'ma push it to my bank pop. Anywhere be than my side. Everywhere call me casa. How do you manage to be at the top and I enjoy the view, huh? Why do you switch up the team that been putting it down for you true, huh? The vision we grew, the dream of the crew,
Claim the reward, check the description area. All the details are given. That's it for the video. Happy Christmas and Happy New Year. From the Brain Tech team. See you on the next one.
Oh God, it's the only way. Too many snakes on a lonely day. I'ma never take a day off till I pay off. Like the playoffs, Chef Curry in this bitch, I'ma slay y'all quick.